Inulat namin ni Patpi ngayong umaga na 28 luxury vehicles na mga Diskaya are already in the custody of BOC. Na-sealed na itong mga to. Yung 12 were recovered nung kayo pinuntahan nyo yung kanilang tanggapan ng St. Gerard sa Pasig, and 16 were actually surrendered by the Diskaya family. Itong tanong ko, Attorney Chris, ngayon kasi you are checking if everything is in order, no? Yung importation ng mga luxury vehicles na yan, no? Yung compliance, nagbayad ba ng tamang buwis. Ano naman po ang implication if it is found na kulang? Na hindi kulang, hindi nagbayad ng buwis, smuggled itong mga ito. Does it imply, does it mean that the BOC was remiss?
It will vary really, no, as to ano po talaga yung nag-transpire per vehicle, no. Tama po kayo, there is a possibility na meron po tayong mga kahanay dito sa BOC that could have participated dito sa pagpasok ng mga sasakyang ito.
Worse pa pala
talaga
yun.
Pong mapapatunayan natin na illegal po yung pagkakapasok, no.
It could be negligence, it could be corruption within the ranks of the Bureau of Customs, Attorney.
That's a possibility, no. We also have to consider dito sa ating CMPA, the act of facilitating itong smuggling is also punished by that law, no. So we will have to look into this. Again, the Commissioner has given instructions na wala po tayong sasantuhin dito. We will apply the law equally. Kung meron po tayong mga kasamahan sa BOC who will be responsible or found accountable, we will just be applying the law equally po.
So, Attorney Chris, ito na nga, a total of 28. Pero ito ba complete inventory na po? How are you going to go through? Because she mentioned before 40 no, luxury vehicles. May mga lumabas pa nga na 100. Kayo ba, are you just going to limit yourself to what the Diskaya family voluntarily claimed, no? Or are you going to look beyond that, beyond the 28 vehicles? And yun na nga, kung kayo po ay nakita nyo na okay naman yung mga papeles, yun ba ay ibabalik, walang problema, hindi nyo i-hold pa yan further?
Let's go one by one po mo. As to the number po, we respect the statement of Senator Jinggoy regarding meron daw pong 80 based on his information. But as far as the BOC is concerned, based on our surveillance and investigation, a lower number po ito, no? But as you mentioned po, we will go beyond the 28. We will look into other possible vehicles. Kasi what we want to make sure of is that ito po talaga ay nakarehistro sa kanilang mag-asawa o kaya po sa kanilang mga korporasyon, no? So, the BOC will not simply rely on their declarations na 28 lang po ito. There is still ongoing investigation if there are other possible vehicles.